Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Judy here with my Life as KIKAY and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually really excited to film today's video for you. I got home from work and I had this waiting for me. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that this is my ring light that I ordered off eBay about 2 weeks ago. So instead of just opening the box by myself, I thought I would do it on camera and film it for you guys. I bought this ring light off of recommendations from makeup pages on Facebook where there are other aspiring beauty vloggers like myself sharing what ring lights and what studio equipment that they used. So I did a little bit of research and comparing prices on eBay and this is what I bought. So I'm gonna unbox this with you and without further ado, let's get into this video. So it's a pretty big package. I don't have a lot of space here. This is so awkward. Woo! So I'm guessing this is the manual, I guess. So there are two boxes. There is one long white box and so I'm gonna open the white one first. I don't know exactly what this kit comes with. So in the white one we have, it looks like the light stand. It looks like there's a fair bit of ooh, oh, it goes the other way. And there are 3 different levels here for, I'm guessing, to adjust height. So that's cool. But the problem I'm gonna have is I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to set up this stand because my space for filming here in this room is literally, that's it. This is the wall behind me. Bed's like literally right here and I'm making do, you know, but I was able to save up a little bit of money and finally invest in this ring light and stand. It's just a normal tripod sort of thing where you can adjust the height, the width of the base and all that sort of thing. Moving on. It looks like the diameter of this is going to be actually really wide. I knew I ordered a big one but I actually didn't expect it to be this big. My goodness, it's almost as big as my makeup mirror. So I'm gonna show you my setup. My room is a little bit messy at the moment. I just got home from work. Don't judge me. So this is my setup. And that's my background. As I said, my bed's messy, don't look. The lights I have at the moment are only the lights from my makeup mirror. As you can see, I have a couple different shades of light bulbs. I have 3 warm and the rest are a cool light because I find that if I have all of only one or the other, the colors in my Instagram photos or even in my videos tend to be really cool or really warm or really yellow, which is why I mix the light bulbs. My OCD completely goes against that, but my photos turn out better when I have mixed tone lighting. Anyway, so I'm going to show you this ring light. So excited. So it's all the accessories. So as you can see here, these are all the accessories. I'll screenshot the listing that I bought this off of on eBay and also include the link of it in the description bar down below. There's the cord. This is to change the color of the light bulb, almost like a filter or something. This is, I think this is if you want more of a warmer look and this is more of a natural light shade. Oh, just like I was talking about with my light bulbs. So those are all the accessories. I think that's some sort of bracket. So that's that. And here's the ring light. Okay, so not exactly what I was expecting. I think for some reason I was expecting an LED bulb, but this is actually an LED strip. And I knew that when I ordered it off eBay. Okay, so I think I just forgot. So this is how big it is. I'm gonna have to definitely move some things around to try and figure out how I'm gonna set this up on my desk. So I'm gonna figure out how to assemble it off camera and then I'll show you guys once I've figured out how to put it together and show you exactly what accessories it came with. So I'll be right back. Oh my, this is really bright. So I have it set up on the tripod stand. It comes out really bright. So this is with the ring light beside me and the light from my makeup vanity from here. So this is definitely going to be a learning curve for me. Right, so I'm going to show you exactly what it came with. So on eBay, this is called the Dimmable Diva LED Ring Light, 18 inches or 48.5 cm, 55 watt mirror and stand for makeup studios. That's literally what the listing is. I'm gonna leave the link in the description bar down below so you can check out exactly what it's all about. So this whole kit cost me 120 Australian dollars and it came with a fair few accessories, which I actually like. So it's almost more of like a kit or something rather than just a ring light. So the features are a full dimming feature to control output design. So it's to control how light or dark you want your video to be. So it's got a little knob on the bottom that you can just turn and make it as bright or as dim as you'd like it to be. It's got a gooseneck so you can easily change the angle. Apparently it's got flicker-free lighting, so it's great for videos. In the description it also says high technology and exquisite workmanship. Now, as far as exquisite workmanship goes, I wouldn't say it's quite that. Using the word exquisite is probably a bit of a stretch. This kit only cost me $120. In comparison to other kits, they range from $120 to up to $300 or more. I obviously didn't want to spend a whole lot on my lighting because obviously I haven't quite got my studio set up or anything like that, and I'm just starting out on YouTube. But I did want some good lighting because that's one of the most important things for when you're filming videos, obviously, is you want to have good lighting, which is why I invested in the Ringlight. Now, $119.99, $120 was probably one of the most cheap I could find without being too cheap, if you know what I mean. So I did a little bit of research, compared listings and compared photos, and I compared all the specifications of the lights and the stands and the equipment themselves. And this is the one that I came up with that gave me the best bang for my buck, if you will. So it gave me the stand, it gave me the ring light, it gave me all these little accessories that I'll show you in a minute, all for $120. And for someone who's just starting out, that's not so bad. I felt that if I bought anything any cheaper, then I would just get something cheap and nasty. It was from an Australian seller and it also included free postage. Now it says it's long life rated to last 80,000 hours, so I should hope that this will last me a little while at least. And it says the stand is so stable and sturdy. Now I'm not going to disagree with that. The stand itself is pretty sturdy, I find, but I'm seeing where the light and the stand connect with this place where you screw it in to lock it in place. That's where I feel it's a little bit wobbly, so I wouldn't really want to tip this over because I feel like it would either bend or snap where the light connects to the stand. But it's pretty much just going to be standing or sitting in one place anyway, so I don't think I should worry too much about that. So included in the package is this LED ring light. It's 18 inches in diameter, a power adapter and a cord. It says it also comes with a bendable gooseneck, which I honestly have no idea which piece that one is. It has a set of 4 snap-on white diffusers, which is what I have on it right now. I'm gonna take one off and show you what it looks like without. So there's 4 pieces of this. This is one of the diffusers. And it also has a set of 4 of the orange snap-on soft diffusers. If you wanted more of a warmer light, then you would use these instead of the white ones. So let's see what this looks like. So it really just feels like cheap plastic. It's nothing phenomenal, but I mean, it's working. It's snapping on and it's working. It's not really falling apart or anything. You don't really want to be too rough with the pieces though, or I feel like it's gonna snap. I don't know if you can tell the difference. The light is definitely a lot warmer than it was with the white ones. So I feel like I'm gonna prefer using the white ones. It also has a camera bracket. There's a little notch here in the stand where you can slide your camera in. It also has a selfie mirror, would you believe it or not. This is the mirror. Let's see how good it is. It has a bit of the peel off plastic over the front that I'm not gonna take off just yet. It looks like it can just slide on here. So when I'm filming and somehow I figure out how to attach my camera on here, I can look at the mirror and still have the light at the same time. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to set all of this up. It also comes with a carry bag, which is really handy to have. And it has the stand, this tripod thing here. Then it comes also with a mobile phone bracket. I know that $120 is probably a little bit much, especially for someone just starting out on YouTube. But judging from the quality of what I have right here, honestly, I wouldn't spend any less than $120 on this sort of equipment because you're gonna want it to last a little while. So I'm really glad that I didn't spend any less than $120 for this ring light, because as it is, I feel like if it was any cheaper, then the actual ring light would fall off the stand and the screws would come undone and the plastic would have snapped when I tried to put it on. I know I'm just starting out on my channel, but another reason why I wanted to get a ring light was so that I wasn't constantly having to race the daylight in order to film a video. Because I still work full-time. By the time I get home in the afternoon, the sun's sort of starting to go down. By the time I've settled down, gotten changed, prepared myself to take a video, sometimes the sun's already going down. So having a ring light will enable me to be able to film videos even in the evenings and still have decent lighting. So overall, I think it's all right. I'll keep you guys updated in further videos if you'd like on how I set up the ring light and how I managed to fit it into this small filming space that I have. But really, when there's a will, there's a way. I've always wanted to make YouTube videos, and I just make do with what I've got. I just try and make it work. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was informative to you. I know it was a little bit different and a little bit all over the place because obviously this is the first time that I'm seeing this ring light, but I'll keep you updated on how it performs and what I think of it as I use it a bit more. Again, I'll leave all the details in the description box down below. If this video was in the least bit helpful to you, I hope you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.